Welcome to our video on neck pain relief. Neck pain is a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. In this video, we'll discuss the reasons behind neck pain and share the top 10 ways to get relief. Neck pain can be caused by poor posture, stress, injury, and degenerative conditions. According to research, around 30 to 50% of people experience neck pain each year. But don't worry, there are several ways to relieve neck pain effectively. Number 1. Stretching exercises. Gentle stretches can help relieve tension and improve flexibility in the neck muscles. Number 2. Heat therapy. Applying heat to the affected area can help reduce pain and stiffness. Number 3. Cold therapy. Cold compresses can help reduce inflammation and numb the affected area. Number 4. Massage. A professional massage can help relieve muscle tension and promote relaxation. Number 5. Posture correction. Maintaining good posture can help prevent neck pain in the first place. Number 6. Acupuncture. This traditional Chinese therapy involves inserting fine needles into the skin to stimulate nerve endings and promote healing. Number 7. Over-the-counter pain relief medication. Over-the-counter pain relief medication can help reduce inflammation and pain, but make sure your doctor has prescribed this medication. Number 8. Chiropractic care. Chiropractic adjustments can help realign the spine and relieve tension in the neck muscles. Number 9. Yoga. Practicing yoga can help improve flexibility and reduce tension in the neck and shoulders. Number 10. Meditation. Meditation can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, which can help relieve neck pain. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, if you're experiencing persistent neck pain, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Subscribe and share. Help us help others with these instant neck pain relief tips.